Today I want to talk about 5 quick steps that we can use to get you started with video right now. Hi, I'm Eric Lowry with the Lowry team at eXp Realty. And today I just want to talk about 5 quick steps that we can use to get you shooting video right away, right now. You can get started immediately. And why is that important? Because more and more consumers are looking for videos and they're looking for information about what's going on in real estate and communities and so forth. And so to be the agent of choice for people, you're gonna have to put yourself out there and start shooting some video. At least I believe you should. And so I want to take you through those 5 quick steps to get you started today. And so let's just dive in. Step number 1, get started. It's pretty simple, right? You just got to commit to doing it. And so, but I think there's more than just saying, hey, I'm going to do it. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to start with one topic, one idea, and just get going with it. If you think you're going to make on Monday this kind of video, and Tuesday that kind of video, and Wednesday that kind of video, and blow out all this content week after week, you won't do it. At least most people won't. Maybe you would, but most people won't. And so just start with one thing off the top. Just, get started with it. How I want you to do it is get a little bit of a content calendar started. So let's assume you're going to shoot 1 video a week. So this week, that's going to be your market update video for the month. And maybe next week, you're going to go out and tour some new construction or whatever. But we want to get a little bit of a calendar started because the number one thing keeping you, at least one of the big things keeping you from shooting video is knowing what to shoot, right? And so let's get some ideas on paper and then let's get going, get started. So number 2 in my list of tips, maybe you got some apprehension about shooting video. Almost everybody does at the start. It's fine. A lot of times, by the way, I found that people struggle with the video because they don't like how they sound or maybe how they look, but usually it's more sound, how you sound on video. So here's a quick tip for you on that. On video, you sound like you. I know. You think you sound different, but you sound like the rest of us hear you. So stop with the nonsense about you don't like how you sound on video. That's how you sound. That's just it. So moving on from that, no need to address that anymore. You sound like you sound. Let's get started, and maybe the best way for you to do it if you have some apprehension about shooting video is shoot some quick video text. Here's what I want you to do. And I want you to do it basically the minute you're done with this video. I want you to grab your phone, hold it out in front of you, or if you've got a little stand you can put it on, that's cool too. But don't overthink it. Grab your phone, turn on the camera, hit the video, and send a video message to somebody you know. Heck, send it to your mom or your brother or your sister or your dad or your cousin if you want. Or, one of the buyers you're working with right now or a seller that you're nurturing that you're hoping to get on the market soon, whatever. And just send them a quick video message checking in with them. Just get started doing some video. Do it safe first. It's kind of like when you're working out. You warm up a little bit before you actually work out or you run or whatever. Same thing here. Just shoot some quick video messages and then text them out to people. Don't make them long because they're going to make it impossible to send the text. Super short. Like if I was going to send one to somebody I knew, let's pretend there's a seller I've been nurturing for a while. They're going to be listing their home, soon I think, and I'm going to get the listing. It might just sound something like this. Hey, Bill and Mary, just wanted to check in with you to see how things were going with the house and see what I could do to help you right now. Shoot me a message back. I look forward to talking to you soon. Just something simple like that. Fire it off. I know, going back to the thing, you think you sound weird, you sound like you sound. Send the text. Number 3, another idea you can get started with that's pretty easy for video. Go tour some new construction neighborhoods, some new subdivisions, or some that have been going for a while. It doesn't matter. Go to the model home. Meet the builder's rep. Build a little bit of relationship there. Can't hurt for business. You might have a buyer for them soon. You'll already know the rep when you go back. But what I want you to do is go tour the model home. Ask them if they, hey, do you mind if I shoot a little video walkthrough of a couple of the rooms here while I'm doing this? They're going to say, no, of course not. You're going to mention where you're at, what builder, what subdivision. So they're going to get some promotion out of it for the people who are going to see your videos. They won't mind. And if they do, they're the outlier, and go to another one. They won't mind. And then go check out the neighborhood a little bit. Just shoot a little bit of video up the street, down the street. Show some new construction. Show the rough edges of building a home, whatever it might be. Don't make it forever. People like shorter videos than longer ones. But this way you're providing market knowledge, market expertise, and you're getting into video. So go do some new construction previewing. It's good for your real estate business anyway. And then the next one, do a market update video. Look at, that's what we do every day anyway. We're supposed to be the real estate experts, the market experts. Aren't we always in the MLS checking out new listings and how many new listings there are and what's going pending and what's the days on market and all that sort of stuff? Well, shoot a video about it. Just a really quick one saying, hey guys, here's what's going on in the market today, whatever. Here's what I'm going to do. I recorded a video previously about how I do it, so I'm going to link that down below where you can click on that, watch that video, which is just specifically about how I create a market update video, and then you'll see one that I did in the past. That'll help you get started. Don't reinvent the wheel. Largely do what I did. Put your own little spin on it and get going. So as you move through this, getting a little more confidence, you're doing a little better with video, you're starting to get that content out there on a regular basis. Now you might think, gosh, I'm ready for a better camera. I don't want to use my phone all the time, or maybe you want to try the green screen thing that you saw about on the internet or whatever. Look, that's all good. Get yourself a tripod, get a little better camera, although frankly, the camera on your phone's as good as you need. Don't spend big bucks on some expensive camera. I don't think you need it. You should keep the budget small as you build up to this. Maybe you get a tripod. You can get a tripod that'll hold your phone for probably 20, 30 bucks. You can get a green screen for, I'm making this up, around 75 bucks. How do I know? I bought a couple of them. So don't buy expensive stuff. Go to Amazon, find something that's relatively inexpensive, read the reviews to make sure it's a good one, and get that bought. Move on. But frankly, green screen, better camera, all that, you don't need any of it for a while. Get going with video and then get it pushed out to your clients. Get it in an email every month. Your market update should be going to every one of your sphere of influence, past clients, current clients, keeping them updated on what's on the market. Should be posted on your Facebook profile. You need people to know you're in real estate. Don't hide from it. And if you've got a Facebook page or an Instagram, all those places, get this video out, push it out there. You just need to set a little bit of time each week, not 40 hours a week, an hour or two. It's worth it. It's marketing. It's building a brand. You need to do it. Get started with it right now. If I can help you in any way, please feel free to reach out. There's a link down below to that market update video that I talked about. And there's also a link down there where you can book a strategy call with me. If you want to talk more about my journey in trying to get better at this video marketing stuff, I'm happy to chat with you about it. No obligation. I'm not going to sell you anything. I won't recruit you to my team or my brokerage. Just happy to help. Click the link down below. Book a time on my calendar. Otherwise, subscribe to my YouTube channel here before you leave. And hit that bell for notifications so you get notified when we add more content like this. And hit the subscribe button. Go shoot your video. I'll talk to you soon.